Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I have a fun manicure video for you, and I'm going to be unboxing for the first time some new products from Nail Addict LA. Really fun gel polishes, top coat and base coat, in addition to some other finishes that are new for me too. So I'm really excited to take you through how I do my manicure with these gel polishes. If you want to see how that goes, definitely keep watching. For those of you who might be new, thanks so much for checking this out. I am a full-time working mom, but in my spare time I really love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, in addition to my reselling experience as well. So if that kind of thing sounds at all interesting, definitely check out my other videos. I've linked them down below, and please also consider hitting that subscribe button too. Okay, so for today again, I'm going to take you through some new products I picked up from Nail Addict LA. So first off, I do want to thank Nail Addict LA for sending me these to test out for you on camera today. Besides the fact that they did give these to me, this video otherwise is in no way sponsored, and my opinions truly are my own, and hopefully I can give you an unbiased view of my first impressions of these gel polishes. So in just a second, I'm going to turn the camera angle around and show you how I actually do my nails. But if you like what you see and you're interested in checking out some of their really cool gel polishes and accessories, definitely consider using the link in the description box down below. And I also have included a referral code, and if you use that referral code, you will save 45% off, which is amazing. And I believe it's off of at least 2 polishes or more, and sometimes some of their sales that they have on top of that won't apply, but just so you know, 45% off code using the link down below. Definitely check it out. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera angle around and let's do my nails. Okay, so first off, I did do my right hand a bit ago just to try out the polishes and just so it goes a little faster when I do this tutorial today. But as you can see, this is what I'm going to be doing on my nails today. So I really like this really different type of texture that I'm about to show you how to do, and it's using this glitter polish, but on top of it I put their matte top coat. So it's kind of like this frosted, kind of speckled little neutral type of finish, which I think turned out kind of cool. The products went on really nicely, and it's kind of a fun look, really subtle, kind of frosted type of matte finish, which I think is kind of unique as well. So I'm gonna do my left hand just like this. So let me show you what I got in this package. So they sent me 5 different products to try out, and the first is this base coat, and the base coat here is a peel off base coat. So that sounded really intriguing to me, because one of the things I do hate about gel nails is how, in my opinion, it's a little bit difficult to take off. It's different than traditional nail polishes, which is super easy to remove. So I hate using acetone, foil, things like that to scrape off the gel nails. So this base coat essentially, supposedly, should just peel off. So I wanted to check this one out for sure. So this is their peel off base coat. And then the next product is the unique product that I really wanted to try and that I tested out on these nails, and that is the matte top coat. So, I have other top coats already, so I wanted to see this formulation. I think this is relatively unique, and I was excited to try it out. So I'm going to be using this on other colors as well, especially solid color nail polishes. I think it would look super cool for a different type of matte look. So I'm very excited to keep playing around with this, but this is the matte top coat. And then I also picked out this color. So as you can see here, it's a really beautiful nude taupe color, and it is called Sea Swing and Sun. And it's just a beautiful taupey nude color. And as you can see, I definitely gravitate toward these neutral types of colorways because of my line of work, and also the fact that, just so you know, I have to keep my nails short for work since I work as a clinician. So I actually don't go too crazy with my nail colors or my nail lengths at all, unfortunately. So I definitely gravitate toward these kind of neutral colors, and this is the perfect kind of brownie nude in my opinion. So this one is a gorgeous color. Along the lines of neutrals, of course, I do love my neutral pinks. So this one is called Pink Princess, and this is a beautiful light pink type of colorway, which I always pick in nail salons. So I am excited to include this one here. And then I have the final one, which is the one I will be showing you today. And I just fell in love with this one because of the glittery type of finish, and it's called Perfect Tan. I don't know if the name really suits this one. In my opinion, it's more of a gray or silver glitter finish. Here is a little swatch, if you can see there. And as you'll see when I apply it, it's a beautiful glitter finish. So when you put the matte top coat on here, the glitter kind of goes away, which is why I said earlier, I'm not so certain I would use the matte top coat with the glitter nail polish, but in the future at least. But I'm going to show it to you on my nails, so you'll see how beautiful this glitter finish is. This was just another kind of unique type of color I wanted to try. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with the base coat, of course. And I always use base coats and top coats for all the manicures I do at home. It definitely protects your nails, lets the polish apply more smoothly, and of course it makes it a little more durable as well. So I'm going to start with this peel off base coat. And just so you know, I did kind of prep my nails. I'm pretty low maintenance, so I don't do a great job with it, to be honest, but I took off my previous polish, I cut my nails, I filed the tops, and I buffed the tops as well, so hopefully the nail polish will apply a little more smoothly. So I'm going to go ahead and just paint the base coat on here. And one of the tricks that I've learned while using these at-home gel nail polishes is that you really don't want to be heavy-handed. That was my mistake initially, is I put a lot of the polish on, and of course it leaks and bleeds too much. So I just apply a very thin layer of all of these polishes for all of the steps, and that tends to work out better for me. So every step of this process does have to be cured with a UV or LED light. So I have a little travel light here, which I attach to my power bank. And I will go ahead and just turn it on. And I will start curing my nails. Okay, so my base coat is cured, and I went ahead and just started applying the nail polish. So this is again called Perfect Tan, and it's this beautiful taupey, light silver type of glitter polish, which I think is so unique and pretty. So I want to go ahead and just continue applying this to my nails, and again, just making sure that I'm very light-handed with the application. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and cure these nails. Okay, so these are done, and it's time for the second coat. And I always apply 2 coats of nail polish because I think it allows the color to pop through more, and it makes the durability that much better. Okay, so now it's time to cure the nails. So the polish is all cured, and this is the glittery finish of the color, again, Perfect Tan. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a beautiful kind of shiny, glittery finish here, which is so pretty. So I just love this look. So as you can see, here's the glittery finish as is, and this is what I'm about to do to the nails on this hand, which is mattify it. I love to play around these new finishes and kind of textures, so although I probably honestly just love the glitter finish better, I think it's kind of cool too with this kind of chalky, kind of matte, frosted type of finish as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do the matte finish to my nails here, but this is how the glittery finish looks just as is without a top coat. Okay, so again, now I'm going to be using the matte top coat, and this is kind of unique to the line. I'm not sure if other lines typically have this kind of top coat, so I wanted to check it out and kind of play around with it a little bit. In my opinion, I think it's going to work best on solid color nail polish, because when you mattify the glitter ones like I'm about to do, it definitely takes away some of the glitter finish. So I think probably I'm going to try this next on some color solid types of nail polishes. But let me just show you how it applies and what happens when I cure it. Okay, so now they are all cured, and see how it really mattifies it? It's pretty cool actually to watch it go from that glittery shiny finish to the matte finish. So the top matte coat is pretty cool in my opinion. But I do miss a little bit of the glitter. Like I said, I actually am a little bit bummed that it takes away the glitter entirely. So I'm gonna do an accent nail. I don't typically do accent nails, but I kind of like them. I don't even know if they're in anymore, but I'm gonna do it because I want to add a little bit more of this perfect tan glitter onto my manicure. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do it on the fourth finger of each hand. Let's experiment and let's see how it looks. Okay, so that's how it looks with a little bit of sparkle. So my fourth finger there, as you can see, I'm gonna call my accent nail, and it has a little bit of that glittery finish. I think it's kind of fun to play around with it like this, so we will cure both fingers. Okay, so there you have it. I think it looks pretty cool actually. I kind of like the play on textures of the one kind of accent sparkly nail, although it is still subtle, and then the other matte finishes I think are pretty cool. The matte finishes feel really nice, a little bit chalk-like, and then the shiny one, of course, feels really smooth. So I'm going to go ahead and, like I always do at the end of any gel manicure, is I take a little bit of alcohol just in this spray bottle here. I just wet like a makeup pad, and then I go along and just kind of remove any excess finish from the nails. So it always makes me a little nervous to do this, but once you cure your nails, they really are dry and there's no residue that comes off in terms of the color. So I go ahead and just finish them off like this, and that kind of cleans them up a little bit and wipes away any of the slightly sticky residue from the nails. And these are done. So these are the finished nails, and I think they look pretty nice. I'm really happy with them. I think the play on texture is kind of cool here, and it was super easy to apply, and I really like these neutral colors. I think it's perfect for me and my lifestyle, and also perfect for my workplace, so really loving them. Well, thanks so much for joining me on this video, and I really had fun playing around with these gel polishes from Nail Addict LA. And again, in case you're curious and want to check out some of these for yourself, definitely use the link down below, and consider using my coupon code too, because you save 45% off on most products, which is pretty amazing. So far I'm really enjoying the nail polishes and finishes, and I will let you know a wear test later on and see how these wear for me, but I think they are going to wear really well. And I just love gel polishes because of how durable and long-lasting they are. I definitely don't have time to go to the nail salon every single week, so doing these at home is amazing, but also the fact that these gel polishes last for weeks, I would say, for me, is pretty cool as well, and it really fits into my lifestyle too. So I hope you enjoy checking out these products for yourself, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye!